everybody, this is Matt Bashar from Gasolic Gas Solutions India Limited. Today I am going to show you PSA oxygen generator plant and its functions and what are all different items associated with this plant. Let's begin with air compressor. This is an air compressor. There are different types of air compressors available in the market. This is screw air compressor, permanent magnet screw air compressor, and very special thing about this compressor is a water lubricant compressor. See here, the lubrication water goes through this pipe. We have RO system which lubricate this compressor. Let's have a look on this compressor. This is one of the best compressors available in the market today, Sobek PM. This is the company name, and have a look on the control board here. This control board start, stop and loading everything it will show. This will automatically run everything like variable speed. This one is a variable speed. When air is sufficient in the air tank, this will reduce the consumption, electricity consumption, and thus in that way it will save our electricity. This air compressor, I will show you here. You can have a look on this one. Like this is the tank where the first air comes in this tank along with the water. In oil compressors, what generally do, this comes with oil and air mixture. So there might be a small chances of oil mixing inside with air. So that's not 100% pure, but we use air water lubricant air compressor. Let's have a look how this air goes to the another tank. From here, this is the pipeline. I'll show you. This one is a RO system for lubrication, so we don't need oil as a lubricant. We use this water as a lubricant. This all the connection goes to this. This is the main pipe which holds more than 8 MPa pressure, high grade hose pipe, and this is the air buffer tank. This is primary air buffer tank, and these are the filters which purify the air from oil, impurities, all different kind of impurities. This is a primary precision filters, and this is most important part of this plant. This is refrigerator dryer. This dryer basically dries the air when it comes from the atmospheric air, has lot of water in it. So this air gets cool here and removes the excess water from this through this dryer. Again passes to the secondary precision filters. Remaining impurities will get cleared, and water, all impurities goes through into this exit valve. This is another unique feature of our plant. This is absorption dryer. What this absorption dryer is, basically places where the humidity is very high. So there are chances of water coming into the air. So this is absorption dryer. It whatever remaining water, impurities, anything which goes dry here. From here, the purest air through this connection, you can have these two tanks work simultaneously, one after another. From here, the purest air goes through this pipeline. This is the pipeline which is coming through absorption dryer. It's going to the secondary air tank. This is the secondary air tank. From here, the air passes to PSA plant. These are the two towers, tower A and tower B of PSA. So what basically this plant do, it stays in the air which has a different components, like air has oxygen around 20%, remaining are the nitrogen and helium gases. So what this PSA plant do, it has a zeolite molecular phase. So it absorbs nitrogen and releases to the exhaust pipe, and oxygen, whatever the oxygen which is around 93 to 95% purity. You can have a look on this purity board. Here we have not started it because we cannot make video if it gets started. There is a lot of noise. So it shows the purity and how this functions. So these two towers work one after another, which gives pure oxygen. From here you can have a look on this one. These are two rotometers which will balance the oxygen and transfer it to the buffer tank. This two rotometers, this primary rotometer, secondary rotometer. This is a primary buffer tank. From here the oxygen comes to this main buffer tank. From this tank either you can give connection directly to your hospital, main supply, ICU supply, direct connection which goes to hospital, and bypass to oxygen booster. That oxygen booster later I will show you. We have this cooling tower here. This cooling tower, what it do is cool down the compressor heat. There are different type of like air compressor and air cooling compressor and water cooling compressor. We have air cooling compressor here because humidity is very high and temperature is very high in India. So we use a water cooling compressor. These are the pipeline. You can see the one goes, one pipeline is cool pipeline, another is coming from compressor which is hot. After with the help of this pump, water pump, the water circulation goes through our compressor. Have a look, and there is another one final filter here is a stainless steel sterilization filter. This filter usually remove the odor of this air. It clean the air on the final stages. From this buffer tank, one I have told you, one goes to hospital unit. Another unit, another pipe is bypassing through here. You can have this. This is the pipe which is we are taking to the oxygen booster. Oxygen booster, what basically we have oxygen booster to fill oxygen into the tank for transportation to other hospitals, other unit or commercial use. This is 47 liters capacity cylinders. So if you have a look on here, this is our oxygen booster. Oxygen booster, like from that buffer tank we have this pipeline coming to this one. This when we start this one, it will compress the oxygen from 4 MPa, because buffer tank is 4 MPa pressure. So now this will compress to 15 MPa. That means 150 bar pressure. From this when this start, we give pressure and you can fill this cylinders up to 150 bar pressure. At a time we can fill 10 cylinders, which almost for the 30 cubic meter it will take around 10, you can go 2 to 3 hours, you can fill 10 cylinders. In 24 hours, this 30 cubic meter plant, like 500 LPM, liters per minute, 500 liters per minute, can fill up. In 24 hours, it will give around 120 cylinders maximum, average around 95 to 100 cylinders. There are different safety valves here. In case of any overpressure and all, this safety valves is there, and there is the gauge meter, like here 150, when pressure reach 150, this compressor automatically gets stopped. So we have a complete picture of the PSA plant here, and I will one of my colleague, Mr. Qasim, who is very much has the knowledge of this plant. He is working on this plant since last 2-3 months. If you have any doubt, you can contact him on his phone. I will give you his number later on in my video. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.